Hi, my name is Noah. I'm a teacher in education worldwide, and in this playlist, we're going to talk about physics. So, physics. That's the fundamental science of whole the universe, starting from the motion of the planets all the way to the subatomic particles. But what are we going to talk about in today's lesson? We're going to talk about the history of physics and how did it all begin. So, where does it all begin? Our journey starts in ancient Greece. You know about those Greek philosophers like Archimedes, Pythagoras, and Aristotle? Well, Archimedes being famous for the buoyancy effect, Pythagoras, of course, for his Pythagorean theorem, and Aristotle, well, we shouldn't forget about him because he's the one responsible for developing of the scientific method. At a certain point in Europe, wars started raging all over it. That means that all the scientific development should be shifted to the rest of the world. During that period, the rest of the world, in this case Chinese and Middle Eastern people, helped us develop medicine, astronomy, magnetism, and they even developed some gunpowder. After all of those wars ended in Europe, that opened the door for scientists and science to go back in and develop it a bit more. Fast forward to 16th and 17th century, where scientific revolution happened. That changed physics in so many ways. For example, Copernicus proposed his heliocentric system for a universal model. Galileo Galilei actually challenged Aristotle's ideas, and later on proved with experiments that all the objects around the Earth fall at the same rate, regardless of the mass, of course, if you ignore air resistance. To build on that, Isaac Newton built his laws of motion and laws of gravitational pull. But he didn't stop there, of course. He built the foundations for the laws of physics that we know today. Today, physics continues to evolve. We've discovered things such as Higgs boson, also known as Gauss particle. We explored black holes, and we developed technologies based on quantum mechanics. But a big question still remains. What are dark energy and dark matter? So that means that physics is not at the end at all. In fact, we just begun. I hope that you like this topic because physics changed the way I see the universe. And if you did, well, you can leave a like, you can share. And if you expect more topics like this one, well, then subscribe.